Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need Krisp installed and your Google Meet ready. Open Krisp first so it becomes an available audio device. Once done, sign into Krisp and enable noise cancellation for your microphone and speaker. Make sure your headset or built-in mic is selected in Krisp, then leave Krisp running. Next, open Google Meet and join the meeting. Do not change devices yet. This initial order ensures Meet recognizes Krisp as an input/output option and prevents audio routing conflicts. You must switch audio devices inside Meet to route sound through Krisp. Click the three dots, choose Settings, then Audio. Select Krisp microphone for input and Krisp speaker for output. This routes both capture and playback through Krisp's processing. Once selected, use Meet's test microphone and test speaker controls to confirm noise is removed and playback is clean. If you hear issues, toggle Krisp on and off in the Krisp app and retest to let the OS refresh the device listing. You're almost done. During the call, keep Krisp active and monitor its status indicator so you know noise suppression is running. If participants still hear noise, mute or close noisy applications and enable per-call noise cancellation in Krisp. If audio cuts out or Meet loses the Krisp device, leave and rejoin the meeting, or restart the browser to refresh device access. As a last resort, open your system sound settings and reselect Krisp for mic and speaker. Then rejoin Meet to restore clean audio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.